Welcome back to English Life Story. Today is day 2. Yesterday, you took your first step. Today, you take another step, and every step makes you stronger.
That's right, Sarah. Many people want to speak English well, but only a few people practice every day. The learners who practice every day are the learners who improve.
Exactly. Today, we will focus on something very important: practice. Not difficult grammar, not long vocabulary lists. Simple practice. Real practice. Daily practice. Let's begin. Part 1. A good morning. The sun is rising. You open your eyes. You stretch your body. You feel fresh. You feel ready. You smile and say, "Today is a good day."
Then you say something even more powerful. I am learning English. I will practice today.
Very good. When you say positive things, your mind becomes stronger. You believe in yourself, and confidence is very important. Part 2. Morning routine. Let's talk about daily routines. These are sentences you can use every day. Listen and repeat. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I drink water. I eat breakfast.
Very good. Now let's make a small story. A girl named Emma wakes up early. She washes her face. She brushes her teeth. She drinks a glass of water. Then she eats breakfast with her family.
Simple story, simple English. But this is real life, and real life English is easy to remember. Part 3. Learning new words. Today, we learn new words. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, kitchen, table, chair.
Let's use them in sentences. I eat breakfast in the morning. I eat lunch at school. I eat dinner with my family. The kitchen is clean. The table is brown. The chair is comfortable.
Excellent. Now say the sentences again, slowly, clearly. Practice is more important than speed. Part 4. Speaking practice. Now imagine you are talking to a friend. Your friend asks, "What are you doing?"
You answer, I am studying English.
Your friend asks, "Where are you?"
You answer, I am at home.
Your friend asks, "Are you busy?"
You answer, no, I am practicing English.
Wonderful. Look how much English you can already use. Part 5. A short story. Ali wants to improve his English. Every morning he studies for 20 minutes. He learns 3 new words. He reads 1 short page. He listens to 1 short audio. That doesn't sound difficult. It isn't, but he does it every day. After 1 month, he knows many new words. After 3 months, he speaks more confidently. After 1 year, he speaks English comfortably.
His secret is not talent. His secret is practice.
Exactly. Practice changes everything. Part 6. Question time. Now let's practice questions. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Where do you study English?
I study English at home.
Very good. Questions help you speak more naturally. Part 7. Learning from the world. Now look around your room. What do you see?
I see a table. I see a chair. I see a window. I see a door.
Perfect. Everything around you can help you learn English. Point to an object. Say its name. Make a sentence.
For example, the window is open. The door is closed. The chair is near the table.
Excellent practice, and it costs nothing. Part 8. Afternoon practice. Now it is afternoon. You finish work. You finish school. You have 10 free minutes. What can you do?
You can practice English.
Exactly. Read one paragraph. Learn 2 new words. Listen to one short conversation. Speak for 1 minute.
Small actions create big results.
Very true. Part 9. Talking about yourself. Now let's practice self-introduction. Listen carefully. My name is Anna. I live in Dakar. I am a student. I like English. I study every day.
Now change the details and make it your own. Use your own name. Use your own city. Use your own story.
This is real communication. This is useful English. Part 10. Building confidence. Many learners worry about mistakes. Do you worry about mistakes, John?
Sometimes, but I know mistakes help me learn.
Exactly. When a child learns to walk, the child falls many times, but the child continues. The child does not quit.
English is the same. Speak, make mistakes, learn, improve, repeat.
That is the path to success. Part 11. Evening review. Now the day is ending. You sit quietly. You think about your practice. You remember the words: breakfast, lunch, dinner, kitchen, table, chair.
You remember the sentences. I study English. I practice every day. I am improving.
Wonderful. You are building strong habits, and strong habits create strong results. Part 12. One more step.
Sarah, what if someone feels slow?
That is normal. Learning takes time. Do not compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yesterday. If you know one more word today, you are improving. If you speak one more sentence today, you are improving.
I like that. One word, one sentence, one step.
Exactly. And one day, those small steps become big success. Congratulations! Today, you practiced daily routines. You learned useful vocabulary. You answered questions. You spoke about your life. Most importantly, you practiced.
Remember this lesson. Practice is more powerful than perfection. A learner who practices every day will always improve.
Tomorrow, we will continue our journey together. More words, more speaking, more confidence.
Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep learning.
Your English is growing. Your confidence is growing. Your future is growing. Thank you for joining us today.
Goodbye, everyone. And remember, practice a little every day, and your English will become stronger every day.
My family, my home. Welcome back to English Life Story. In Part 1, we practiced daily routines. We learned useful vocabulary. We practiced speaking. Today, we will talk about something very important: family, home, and the people we love.
I like this topic. Everyone can talk about family. Everyone can use these words in daily life.
Exactly. And remember our rule. Do not try to be perfect. Just practice. Practice every day. Practice every chance you get. Part 1. A peaceful Saturday. Today is Saturday. You wake up slowly. There is no school. There is no rush. You feel calm. You stretch your arms. You open the window. Fresh air enters your room.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. You smile and say, "Today I will practice English. Today I will learn something new."
A positive start creates a positive day.
Very true. Part 2. Family words. Today we learn new family words. Listen and repeat. Family. Father. Mother. Brother. Sister. Grandfather. Grandmother.
Now let's use them. My family is kind. My father works hard. My mother is caring. My brother likes football. My sister likes reading. My grandfather tells stories. My grandmother makes delicious food.
Excellent. These are words you can use every day. Part 3. Talking about your family. Now, John, tell me about your family.
My family is small. I live with my parents. I have one brother.
Wonderful. Now, listeners, try it yourself. Say, my family is big, or my family is small. Say, I have one brother. I have two sisters. I live with my parents.
Simple sentences. Real communication.
Exactly. Part 4. A family story. Now, let's listen to a short story. A girl named Amina lives with her family. Every morning, her father goes to work, her mother prepares breakfast, her brother gets ready for school, her sister helps clean the house.
And what does Amina do?
Amina studies English. Every day she reads a little, every day she learns new words, every day she becomes better.
A small effort every day creates big results.
Exactly. Part 5. Home vocabulary. Now let's learn some home words. House, room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, garden.
Let's make sentences. My house is comfortable. My room is clean. The kitchen is bright. My bedroom is quiet. The bathroom is small. The garden is beautiful.
Wonderful. Now look around your own home. Can you make your own sentences? Let's practice questions. Where is your mother?
My mother is in the kitchen.
Where is your father?
My father is in the garden.
Where is your brother?
My brother is in his room.
Very good. Questions help us communicate. Questions help us start conversations. Let's talk about daily activities. Listen and repeat. I cook food.
I wash dishes.
I clean my room.
I watch television.
I help my family.
These are very useful sentences. Many beginners can use them immediately.
Exactly. Now let's make a short story. After breakfast, Emma washes the dishes. Then she cleans her room. Later, she helps her mother. In the evening, she studies English.
Emma's busy.
Yes, but she still finds time to practice. Now imagine you meet a friend. You say, "Hello, how are you?"
Your friend says, I am fine. How are you?
You answer, "I am good, thank you."
Then you ask, how is your family?
Your friend replies, "My family is doing well, thank you."
Look at that. A real conversation. Simple, natural, useful.
Now, John, what is the most important thing in learning English?
Practice.
Exactly. Not expensive books, not difficult lessons. Practice.
If you practice for 10 minutes every day, you will improve.
Yes, 10 minutes today, 10 minutes tomorrow, 10 minutes next week. These small efforts become big progress. Part 10. Talking about your home. Now let's describe a home. Listen carefully. My house is small but comfortable. I have a bedroom. I have a kitchen. I have a living room. There is a small garden outside.
Now, listeners, describe your home. Use simple words. Do not worry about mistakes. Just speak.
That is how confidence grows. Part 11. Evening reflection. Now it is evening. The day is ending. You sit quietly. You think about what you learned. Family, father, mother, brother, sister, house, room, kitchen, garden.
You remember the conversations. You remember the stories. You remember the practice.
And most importantly, you remember that you can do this. Part 12. Looking forward. What happens if someone feels they're learning slowly?
Learning slowly is still learning. A tree does not grow in one day. A language is the same. Be patient. Trust the process. Continue practicing.
One lesson at a time, one word at a time, one sentence at a time. Exactly. And before you know it, you will understand more. You will speak more. You will feel more confident. Congratulations! You have completed day 2. Today, you learned family vocabulary. You learned home vocabulary. You practiced conversations. You practiced speaking about your life.
And every time you practice, you become stronger. Every time you listen, you improve. Every time you speak, you grow.
Remember this: you do not need to learn everything today. You only need to learn a little today. Then learn a little tomorrow.
Small steps create big success.
Thank you for joining us on English Life Story. Tomorrow, we will continue our journey. More stories, more speaking, more confidence.
Keep practicing, keep believing, keep moving forward.
Your English journey is alive. Your English journey is strong, and your future is bright. See you in day 3.
Goodbye, everyone, and remember, practice English every day, and one day English will become a natural part of your life.